Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Jackson. We're going to be working on another skill this week, and that skill is counting from 0 to 120 in and out of sequence. So that means that you can start at any number and count to 120 or keep counting forward. We're also going to be looking at the number that comes before and the number that comes after different numbers that you're given. So I wanted to just share a few ways you can practice this skill. You have some things in your first homeschool connection bag that you can use to help you. One of those is rolling for 120, your game rolling for 120. Your directions of what to do are, let's see, right here, okay? And it tells you how many to move forward or back when you roll your dice. And it goes up to 120. So that's one thing you can use. Another thing that I want you to practice with this week is you have your 120 charts that are blank and they're in sleeves for you. So you can write on these with your dry erase markers and then wipe it off and do it again. You can always print a new one out also if you don't have that still. Another good way for you to practice is to use your dice that you have in your bags. You're going to roll your dice. And I have a 4. Let's see. I have a 4 and a 3. So I'm going to make the number 43. And then I'm going to say the number that comes before 43, which is 42, and the number that comes after 43, which is, that's right, 44. So I can practice writing my numbers that I roll on my dice and write the number that comes before and the number that comes after the number that I rolled. So I'm going to use 2 dice so I can make a 2-digit number. If you have 3 dice at home, you can also practice and make 3-digit numbers up to 120 and give the number that comes before and after those numbers. That will extend your thinking a little bit. Another thing that you can do to practice is work with someone at home and have them call out a number, 62. Write the next 4 or 5 numbers that come after 62. Keep doing it with different numbers, just jumping around your 120 board. 38, 71, 89, 111. So just practice writing your numbers in sequence, going from 0 to 120, and out of sequence, just picking a random number and writing the next few numbers that come after that number. You want to be sure to practice numbers that come before and after the number that you're looking at as well. So that's our skill that we're going to be concentrating on for the next couple of days. Writing your numbers from 0 to 120. So I can write my numbers from 0 to 120 in and out of sequence. We want to be able to write those numbers as well as count them out loud and in our heads. So I will see you soon. I hope you have fun working with your numbers from 0 to 120.